want to grab my phone?
You want to go out?
That's exactly what it is. The button on the side, on the bottom. No, on the side, man. Just hold it for a second. Just anywhere in the screen, wherever you want it to focus. Deshaun! Brady, come here!
I am on a reel!
Come here!
Go! Jesus Christ, dude. That's a big ass fish, dude. Do your best. Okay? That is a big fish. Reeling. Go pull it down. You're doing a good job, dude.
Get back down, okay?
You're doing a great job. Keep it on.
It's up, Connor. Just get back. Connor, get back in the cabin.
Something!
Okay. Yeah. You may have to let it run a little bit.
Brian, is the motor still on?
No, just turn it off.
Okay.
Sorry, Brady. You got it.
Yeah!
Oh! Hell yeah!
Woo!
You want